Isip-isip.
I think you asked me that before, but then I forgot what was the
Hindi,
answer.
before I ask you, ano yung tawag sa maliit na pusit?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Pero this time, ano ang tawag mo sa pusit na buntis?
Octopus.
Hindi. Sirit na?
Sirit.
Positive. Yawa! Positive.
Oh my God! Positive pregnancy test.
Diba?
Positive.
Positive.
Christ.
Kaya ko na. Oh, diba? Alam, may isip.
Okay.
Okay, continue with the answer
Continue
portion.
with the answer portion. Sleepy.
Like the being is called inaantok.
Bisaya is katulgon.
Katulgol?
Katulugon.
Wait,
Or gito ka.
sleepy.
Gito
Okay.
ka is Cebuano na yan. Oh my God. Alright.
Next.
Pregnant.
Ha?
Pregnant.
Buntis.
Mabdos. Mabdos in Bisaya.
Mabdo siya, Lord, amen.
Fire.
Fire?
Yeah.
Oh Lord, hold on.
Kapangyarihan.
Apoy. Fire, apoy.
Kalayo.
Kalayo?
Kalayo.
Kalayo. Ang layo.
That, yeah. Let's
Next.
Sand. Sand.
Anong sand?
Like beach sand.
Oh shit, this is hard.
Wait,
Fuck.
ano?
O, di ba? Napaisip ka din?
Alam ko yung sa amin, pero
Sand.
like yung sa Tagalog.
Wait, sand.
Wait, it's there. Wait, hold on. Alam ko eh.
Buhangin.
Yeah.
My Tagalog is there today. In Bisaya.
Balas.
Oh,
Balas, man. Look at all the white balas.
shit. The white balas, oh my God, it's so itchy.
Next is floor.
Like, yung
Floor.
sa baba.
Floor. Ano sa taas ang floor?
Kasi my floor, my flower.
Nasa floor, not flower.
Floor. Floor. Come on, floor. Come on, floor. Ay, ano?
Okay, on the floor.
Oh, wait.
Okay, on the floor.
Kasi hindi naman babae. Babae is down.
I know the word. You should know
Wait, ano
too.
ba ganit lang?
Don't stop it, you put it on
Ano
your...
ba ito na baba? Oh, wait.
Yung ang linis ng floor.
Oh, tignan siya. Yung sasabihin ko, ano yung isang floor? Sahig.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God, ang tagal mo.
Kasi pagis talaga ako.
Sa amin is salog.
Ano?
Salog.
Salog? Wait,
Salog.
ang dami na itong vocabulary natin today, ha?
Sahig, salog.
Sahig, salog. Okay, wait. Kung floor is sahig, ano yung opposite ng floor?
Ano opposite ng taas?
Taas. Ay, hindi. Ano ba?
Wala namang opposite sa floor.
Wala nga, joke lang. Sabi ko sana sky kasi.
The sky is...
Ito naman.
Sky. Look at the sky. No, that's Tagalog.
Yeah, it's not. Langit is heaven?
Oh,
Diba?
shit. Yeah.
Or same lang din sila?
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Sila
Kasi
ba?
langit, lupa, emperor.
Wag galing!
Of course.
Oh.
Saksak, puso, tulo ang dugo.
Wait.
Patay, buhay, umalis ka na dyan.
Dami alam, ha?
Yan yung one yung games na langit,
Ay,
lupa.
oh. Wala, alam mo pa pala yun?
Of course.
Oh my God.
Make Makulaya first quarter than the third place. Isicola, Isig, Cindy Megan, ako,
Alam mo, gusto kong laruin.
I know.
Wait, bakit lupa? Ano ba yun?
Langit lupa is kuan, parang the floor is lava.
Okay.
Kind of like that.
Sabi ko, kasi ang alam ko lang patintero, alangan daga.
Oh, what is that?
Like, you harang the people. You don't let them through.
Wait, what do you call that?
We call it harangan daga.
Harangan daga.
Yeah, how about you call it?
Patintero.
Hindi, patintero is na the ganun.
Oh shit, wait.
The can, remember
Okay.
you played it in
Yeah,
the
that's
volleyball?
right. So, yung sa amin na ganun is tubig-tubig.
Sa inyo tubig-tubig.
Water.
Sa amin may daga.
Wait. Anong word?
Siya.
Tubig-tubig sa
Tubig-tubig?
amin. Yeah. Tapos, I think before when we played, if it's full moon, so, tapos blackout. Tapos, like, you can, like, the moon is so bright pag gabi. Maglalaro kami sa labas, tapos,
Oh my God,
we're gonna put water on sa road.
Oh.
In a circle, so we're gonna be inside the circle, and then parang ganon.
Water.
Yeah, water. Pero pwede din yung ganon na.
Oh, yun yung sa amin. Yun yung natutunan ko. Ano pa ba yung mga nilalaro ko dati?
Um,
Ayun, text, Jolene. Wala, yun. Alam mo yan? Dama.
oh yeah,
Alam mo
Dama.
Dama?
Yes,
Okay.
Dama. And then we did nagsundalo sa
Ha? Sundalo?
alam mo yung pilitgan?
Oo.
Yeah, we did that. I literally got hit in the eye.
Oh, girl, nasakit.
Sakit!
Sakit, besh.
Kasi yung pilitgan talaga eh.
Yeah, paligan is ano, is
Tapos,
masakit.
oh my God, so we're like high up there, and yung iba nagtatago.
Ah, you guys are
Yeah.
rough, ha? Oh. Oh.
Mm.
Almost crash.
Who was
Shit.
that?
Someone from the back. And then,
Nakita ko
they were-
yung blue.
yeah, they were following closely. So, sudden
Sudden break.
stop yung isa.
Pero grabe naman yung pagka-break kasi rinig yung kuan
Yung
ba?
stop niya. Oh, nagano, nag-screech yung tire niya eh. Yeah, nagano, yung nag-usok-usok ba?
I don't smell the tire.
Nasa likod kasi natin.
God damn. So wait, and then there's
Washing.
another one.
Wow, how you play a lot, ha?
We did Bamboo Canyon.
Ano daw?
So it's a bamboo. And then we're gonna we put gas on it.
Damn, ang dangerous nyo, ha? Kaloka kayo mag-play-play. May gas-gas pa kayo
Yeah, we
nalalaman.
put gas on the Bamboo
Pag ano,
Canyon.
ginawa.
And then we put a fire on it. And then
Ha! Boom!
yes.
Dangerous
Tapos lalagyan
kayo, ha?
namin ng bala yung bamboo.
Oh my Jesus. Opo, mga delikadong batang to.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's how it is fun in our generation. Kasi walang electronics na nasa labas
Sabagay,
lahat
oo.
eh.
Nakakamiss yung gano'n.
Yeah.
Like talagang todo interaction dati,
Mhm.
no?
Tapos nung nag-hide and seek kami ng gabi,
Oh,
yung isang kaibigan namin, barkada, nilukot ng ahas.
nag-ano, inikot sa kanya. Oh,
Yeah. Inikot siya ng
girl lang, ah.
sa paa.
Siya pa, ah.
Kaya wala na. No more na kaming mag-hide and seek at night.
Siya. Oo.
Tapos pag nag-hide and seek sa ibang bahay, yung ibang bahay parang meron silang, they have, it's kind of like their business na, like from the coconuts, and then they're gonna scrape it up.
Yeah.
And yung sa coconut na husk, they're gonna put it inside yung susunugin nila. So they were kind of like under the coil hiding. Paglabas nila, they're so dark.
Okay. Hide and seek kasi.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, sige, magaling ang hide. Hindi na nahanap.
Nagiging, ano ba yung tawag?
Nog-nog.
Nog-nog, tapos yung damit niya.
Oo, puro itim. Bakit na siya nagtago?
Kasi it's dark hide and seek nga.
Bagay. Talagang ano, walang makakahanap sa kanya.
Is that the blue one, that skirt?
Which one? Ito ba? I don't know. Looks like.
Yeah, I feel like that's the
Maybe.
one. Pero siya yung nag-break.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Kasi yung nasa likod natin, it was the red car. I think
He was following closely kasi.
nag-overtake na.
Ew.
Well, you're not giving me a chance to overtake!
Ay,
Eh, di mag-overtake kayo sa akin!
relax lang kayo, guys. Ayan, dito kami sa normal speed. Bahala kayo dyan. Kasi, okay. Meron na tayong spoon. Ang daming spoon and fork. May nataturig. Oh shit. Okay, doon na lang ulit tayo magpaplato sa ano. I forgot something.
Maybe they have plates.
Where? Sa ano? Nah.
Oh, shit, we could have asked pala sa Jollibee. Because they have
Oh,
the
the
cartons
plate, yeah.
one.
It's okay. We're gonna add plato on the ano.
Takip.
The takip
On the
again.
takip.
It's fine. I like it. We got serving spoon. We got tubig.
Okay, we are back.
Yes, we're back on
We
the...
are back on the question and answer and everything. Lilipad na yung hood niya.
Yes, we're gonna ano.
Okay, sir,
Sir.
yung hand fan.
Ano?
Hand fan.
Abanico?
Oh, really? That's what you called it?
Yung ano, yung bumubuka, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Abanico.
well, we call it abanico.
Mm,
What do you call it?
pay.
Yeah. Kasi the fancy one yung nag-open is called abanico.
Yeah, that's
Yung
kind
specific
of like
yun.
the
specific word for it.
the vintage. Well,
Yeah, the vintage one. Yung-
vintage word.
Pero tama ka. Like, Tagalog is the paypay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tagalog is paypay.
Yeah. Besides pay.
Paypay din? Okay, same thing lang.
Pencil.
Lapis.
Lapis.
Lapis. Same na din.
Yes, lapis. Scissors.
Gunting.
Gunting.
Gunting din.
Yeah, but like different yung kuan pagsalita. Kasi sa iyo, ano yun sa inyo?
Wala, gunting lang. Wala naman kami parang accent mark or anything.
Well, not accent mark, pero like the way how you say it is like gunting.
Uh-huh.
Sa amin, gunting.
Oh.
You see the difference?
No.
No? No, like, okay, gunting. Like yung,
Like, pero ng gunting, ganun. Wala. Ooh. Sorry. Okay, what?
oh yeah, okay, yeah. I guess it's just how I say it. I guess it's just how I say it. Okay, next.
Next.
Refrigerator.
Siya. Wait lang. Refrigerator?
Yes.
Gusto mo yung Tagalog version?
Tagalog version.
Version?
Tagalog version.
Refrigerator. No. Ano yun? Shit, tawag namin ref. Ano gusto mo?
Frigidaire.
True.
But in a like deep na, yung bagsak na Frigidaire.
Okay. Yeah. True, okay.
Bagsak na Frigidaire. Pero yung brand niya is Frigidaire.
Sige din, oo.
Which is what the fuck?
Oh.
It's accident.
Siya, wala tayo dyan.
We were supposed to be there.
Oh. But,
I forgot to turn.
I love it. Oh shit, look at that accident.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're gonna be nosy real quick. Hold on.
1, 2, 4, 2, step back! Kaibigan! Oh shit. Ooh, that's a big ass.
Okay, I think I recorded it.
Crazy.
That's a big
'Cause
accident. That's
They literally took off the
whole lane.
the whole door
Oh,
just to get her out.
Ooh.
Yeah, you didn't see the video.
I didn't see it.
Slow mo nga sa video mo.
Wait lang. Oh, slow down,
'Cause
ha?
they took out the whole door.
I didn't get to that door. I stopped it before the door. I recorded before everything. Oh my gosh. Joke lang pala, guys.
All right, let's start.
Next.
Pillow.
Unan.
Unlan.
Unlan. Nagsasabi kayo ng litra. Unlan,
Blanket.
unan. Wait lang. Ano tawag doon? Blanket. Nag-work yung brain cells ko. My God, mamamatay na yung brain cells ko dito.
Is it still on? Yeah, it's still on. Oh my god.
Wait, blanket?
Yes.
Blanket? Giniginawa ko, pwede mo bang ipasa yung kumot? Oh, di ba? Ganun yan. Kumot. Kailangan ko i-complete sentence dahil.
Okay. Sabi saya.
Oh.
Habol. Habol.
Habolin mo ako.
Iba din yun.
Iba rin ba yun? Okay.
Iba din yun.
Siya.
Habulin. Catch me if you can.
Next.
T-shirt.
Sabi ko sana sando.
Ay,
Sando is the
yung
T-shirt
sleeveless.
is, ano ba? May Tagalog version ba kami nun?
Ano yan?
Alin?
Billionaires don't own us. Oh yeah, they're more Trump.
Ah.
Alam mo, may plug ako. Pero
Wala
nasa
kami
kotse
plan.
ni
Baka
Papa.
gusto mo naman. Wait, T-shirt.
T-shirt.
T-shirt. T-shirt? Alam ko, like, in general, we call it damit.
Okay, okay. But that's kind of like the meat is like the whole set.
Yeah, like, in general yun eh. Pero yung word na T-shirt, wait. Kasi sa babae, alam ko, they call it kamiseta.
Okay, okay.
Diba? Pero yung T-shirt, for the guys, hindi ko alam.
Parang polo eh. No.
Hindi. Pwede, pero hindi. Kasi sa babae kamiseta, yun yung alam ko kasi my God, Lola is real.
And sando is like yung sleeveless.
Oo.
But if you put it in a sentence, it's gonna turn out to be a t-shirt or a shirt. Pag nagtatagalog, di ba? Paabot nga nung shirt ko, ganun.
Kasi shirt lang talaga yung sinasabi ang alam ko eh. Kuya, naka-cellphone ka, no? Kuya, stay on the line.
The fuck is he doing?
Maybe Kuya is sleeping. Oh, he's on breaking. Yeah, I think he's on his cell phone.
He's on his phone.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think merong specific word for t-shirt.
Sa amin is sanina.
Ano?
Sanina.
Sanina, shirt. Ang sa inyo, yung
Yeah.
shirt is sanina.
Yeah. Alain ko sa akong sanina.
Baka meron nga. Tanong ko si ate mo bukas.
Alright.
Sige, next.
Glasses.
Like yung pag-reading glasses?
Yes. Any type of glass.
Oh, ang alam ko, sabi ni Lola, ano nga yung salamin ko? Salamin.
Salamin. Ding nasa ng pag-ibig.
Oh, salamin.
Sa amin is anteojos.
Okay.
That's like a deep word, anteojos.
Anteojos.
Or antepara.
Oh, like very deep na. Well, I think that's also in Tagalog, probably, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe, I don't know. Pero,
Si puede, si puede!
oh my God, that's a lot of, resist. Masakit po. Wait lang, ha? Oh, that hurts.
Tapos, the
Next word. That's masakit.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
I think we're just the
Payong.
same thing. Yeah, payong.
Payong siling, okay.
Payong din sa amin.
And the payong is,
Deep water.
pang ina, lalim yan, ha? Nalunod ako.
Oh, wait, no, never mind.
Oh, mali.
Is it? Okay,
No.
deep water is,
Um,
yun nga, malalim. Di ba?
yeah, malalim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sakto. True. Sa amin, lalum.
Lalom.
Tapos water is tubig.
Tubig, yeah.
Yeah, so lalum ang tubig.
Yeah.
Earrings.
Ha! Wait. Oh my God. Wait. Kasi, ring is sing-sing. Earring, potang ina mo.
Ear.
Pidi, pero di pindi. Wait.
Oh, I know.
Hikaw.
Okay.
Hikaw.
Oh, I thought hikaw is like a diamond or a gem or something. Hindi pala.
No, hikaw is the general term for the
Earrings.
Yeah. Like, maski siya yung hoop earring or the studs.
Oh.
Hikaw ang tawag.
Okay.
Sa inyo,
Let's...
ikaw din?
Hindi.
Iba?
Arius.
Ano?
Arius.
Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh.
I think that's a deep word, Arius.
Yeah,
Mga
puro different sa
Bisaya.
inyo ha. Tanong natin si Ate Jai bukas. Ate Jai, get ready, okay?
Iba yun din sa kanila kasi Cebuano sila eh. So they have their own
ibang
other
Bisaya
words.
naman.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Because there's Cebuano, Bisaya.
Aha.
Meron din sa amin. I think meron din kay Rhea. And then
So,
meron din kay MK in Davao. Or I mean,
Iba-ibang Bisaya.
yeah.
Talaga ba?
yeah, because
Ay, yes. Ay, okay. Yeah.
I know MK lives in Cagayan de Oro, so pero Bisaya sila doon. So they have a different words
Ibang
din.
dialect ng Bisaya
Yeah.
naman.
Kasi meron din ibang words na hindi ko maintindihan ni MK.
Yeah. Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Oh,
Like-
shit. Hindi ko na yan. Ay,
Yung kalintora na fever,
Ano?
recently ko lang yan nalaman.
Kalintora?
Yeah, it's like fever.
in-
It's ano yung sa fever sa Tagalog? I forgot. Wait.
Lagnat.
Oh, lagnat.
Aha.
Sa amin, gihilantan. Sa
Ah,
Davao is kalintura. Yeah. Mhm.
So, iba sa Davao, sa Cebu, sa Leyte, gano'n.
yeah. So there's different kind of Bisaya words din under
Oh my God.
different.
Siya.
Yeah. So now, next one.
Next.
Pots. Yung lutuan.
Lutuan?
Na pang
Siya. Wait lang.
yung magluto ng iba din yung to cook for the eggs. That's a different one.
Yung pots and pan. Hindi ako niluluto sa bahay dati. Lola. Asa nakatulong
I think
namin.
it'll be the same thing. Caldero.
Kalero ba yung tawag?
Sa amin, sa Bisaya, caldero.
Wait.
I feel like it's the same thing. Asa na yung caldero? Magluto na ako! Asa na yung
yung kaldero.
kawang? Or kawang?
Alam ko lang kaldero.
Tapos
Pero yung lutaan ng itlog at saka yung...
Mhm.
Yeah. Alam ko may ibang word pa dun eh. Pero kaldero lang yung alam ko in general.
yeah, yung sa amin sa caldero is, sa kanya yung ligid.
Ay.
I think that's his tire.
Oh,
Maybe.
oh.
Caldero yung sa amin, tapos yung pang frying,
Oo.
it's the kalaha.
Iba rin. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Oh my God, Lola, come home.
Tapos, next word is finding.
Ano yun?
Like, you're looking for something. Looking or
So,
finding. I think so.
So in general, hanapin.
Yeah.
Hahanapin.
Hanap kita. Hanap kita.
You hanap me.
Sa amin, in Bisaya is gabulong.
Wait, yung sa inyo ba? Kasi di ba sa Tagalog may past, present, and future.
I don't know that.
Alam mo yun, kasi yung hanap is very, siya, root word siya. So, hanap, hahanapin, hinahanap.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yung sa inyo, ganun. Anong sa inyo?
Gibulong, gabulong.
Gibulong, gabolo.
I think gibulong or gabulong. I think
Uh-huh.
yung gibulong is like I'm looking, like may hinahanap ako.
So, siya,
Yung-
present. Okay.
I don't know if it's present or future. Wait. I think they're the same thing. Gibulong or gabulong.
Use it in a sentence, sige. Sige, sabihin natin, hinahanap ko yung passport ko or hinahanap ko yung wallet ko.
Gibulong na ako akong wallet.
So, i-translate natin yan, nahanap ko na yung wallet ko.
Nakita na akong wallet.
So, iba.
Diba?
Iba.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I mean, pwede rin kasi sa amin, ganun din, nakita na nakita na wallet niya.
Oh yeah, nakitaan and then nakita sa amin.
Oo. Okay.
Parang switch, parang sinitch lang
Diba?
nila. It's so weird.
Yeah, kasi, Tagalog is so annoying.
That light, it looks like it's sleepy.
I'm there.
Ay, close his eyes na.
Oh. So, sa inyo, ang hirap kasi sa inyo eh. Mahirap din Tagalog past, present, future. So, okay, next, sorry.
Next would be laundry.
Laundry? Like yung maduming damit?
Yes,
Yes?
yes.
Ay, siya. Ano ba tawag doon?
I
Wait
guess
lang.
yung madumi na damit or you're doing laundry.
Kasi, kung you're describing yung lalabahan mo, it's maduming damit. Pero yung action na mismo, labada.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
sakto.
Yeah.
Toto. Labada.
Oh, Lord.
Sa amin is nilabahan, it's the dirty clothes.
Nilabahan?
Nilabahan.
Oh, nilabahan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parang,
Yung sa amin, yung malinis na, nilabahan.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my God. Okay,
Bukas,
next
ewan ko na.
would be door.
Pintuan.
Portahan.
Okay. Kasi sa inyo talagang may halong Spanish na eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is weird.
Lalo na yung anti-ojos ba? Yung sinabi mo kanina. Salamin.
Salamin,
Yeah,
salamin,
it's very,
salamin.
waray ba yung tawag doon?
Na ano?
Na dialect, waray, na, like, Spanish na siya eh. Pero, hindi siya Spanish. Tagalog pa rin siya na,
Probably on a different dialect
Yeah,
na
it's
yan.
a different
Or
dialect.
baybayin or something. No, wait,
Siguro.
baybayin is different.
hindi ba ba yun? Different.
Yeah, I think
Baka
baybayin.
waray nga.
Baka waray ganun. Alright,
Alright, next word.
talkative.
Madaldal.
Tabian.
Iba talaga kasi ito din, Tagalog.
Uh-huh.
So, madaldal, dinadaldal, di ba? Nadaldal.
Parang iba na yung nadaldal eh. Parang
Oh,
wala ka na sa daldalan mo. Ano yun?
kasi yung nadaldal, parang dinaldal mo na ako, wala ka lang idadaldal sa akin. Di ba namin daldal? Nadaldal ako.
Alright. Next, bird.
Ibon. Ibon ng malayang...
Langgam. No, wait.
Ha?
We call it, we say it langgam.
Ah, kasi may parang accent siya.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So,
So, how
ant,
do you say ant again?
ant is kuan. Yawa. Ant is maligas.
Okay. Okay, tapos bird is...
Bird is langgam.
langgam. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Kaloka na.
Is spider.
Sabi ko sana tutubi. Wait lang. Wait lang. Spider. May police. Ano tawag doon? Oh my God, there's a spider. Oh my God, there's, ano yun? Ano, spider? Okay. Wait. Spider-Man. Christy, meron ba? Wait.
Merong kuan.
Ano?
Teleserye na ganon.
Ay, gagamba. Pero gagamboy. Oh my God, may gagamba.
Gagamboy.
Oh,
Sa amin is damang.
oh,
Super damang.
super gagamboy. Oh my gosh. Ang hirap na itong words mo, ha?
Hoy, this is like replenish to our...
Replenish! Sumasakit ang ulo ko sa replenish mo.
Yo, this is a replenish to our knowledge.
Wait, parang iba ata ang gusto mo sabihin, hindi replenish.
Yun yung lumabas sa akin. Replenish.
Wait. Okay, sige na, replenish na lang ngayon.
There is a word. What's the word? Okay, ito na.
Sige, tagalogin mo.
This is more funnier. This is how to revive.
Pwede na.
This is how to revive our knowledge.
Basta sabihin ko sana reunion, hindi.
Ano reunion?
Kaya sabi ko, shut up na lang.
Pwede. Reunion sa utak mo kasi
Oh.
nakalimutan.
Di ba? Wait.
Reunion yung utak.
Pero alam ko meron talagang word.
There
Hindi
is a word.
replenish, hindi revive, hindi reunion. Remember?
Yes,
Pwede.
it's how you remember
Oh,
the words
yes.
from the old times.
Reminisce?
Reminiscent.
Ano
Oh
reminisce?
It is.
Baka reminisce lang.
Reminiscing.
Yeah, reminiscing, guys.
It's reminiscing, so we are reminiscing. Oh, yeah, lagi.
Lot.
Why does it?
No, may word talaga. It's not revive, it's not replenish.
We are here to reminisce.
Kasi reminisce is like remembering the past.
That's the thing. That's what we're doing,
Oo nga.
isn't it? We are remembering the old words. Well, no, we are not remembering.
Or ano?
We're
Sige, nasa dulo ng dila natin, best. Yank it out, girl.
we are.
Mm.
Wait, it's there.
Kagatin mo dila mo.
It's there.
Ano? We are,
We are the champion.
we are.
We are.
We are. Bumila ka ng ibuprofen, I guess I did. We are not replenishing our memories.
Why are these people in hazard?
Yeah, whoa, what happened? How did they go over there?
Oh, he got hit
Yeah.
badly.
So why are they stopping?
Helping him?
Oh,
I don't know. So we are.
wait, okay. We are, best, is there. Ano ba yan? Sige, Tagalog, ano ba gusto natin sabihin?
Ang ginagawa lang natin.
Ano ginagawa natin? Hindi rin ako sumasabi sa Tagalog.
We are just translating. Translating from English, Tagalog to
Okay.
Bisaya.
Yes, that's what we're doing.
But this is also connecting our roots.
Pwede! Five! Pwede yun.
Connecting our roots kasi it's been a while. Char.
I like,
Uy.
ito nga pala yung Pisti.
Kasi
Oh, I
it's
miss
been a
Audinton.
while.
Sorry. Oh, okay.
It's been a while that,
Ano?
we haven't said those words because it's been English every day.
Yes, you're right. Tama ka dyan. So we're reminiscing.
Yes, we are reminiscing some of the old days words that's been coming out in our mouth, and we've been thinking so hard. So hard!
So hard. It's making me, masakit sa ulo. Oh my God, it's Southwest.
No. Oh my God, he's ready to take off!
Oh my God, I'm not Southwest.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Abi?
live. We are driving on the right side. On the
Dito
right
ka
side.
na.
Okay. Southwest is ready to depart, but I cannot see because of these trees. They are ay putang ina, hindi ko din makita. Nag-video sana ako. Hello. Hi,
Hi.
Southwest.
I'll be Turkish airline on Sunday.
Sana all Turkish.
Turkish. Turkish airline. Oh, Lord.
Ay, Europe talaga.
We're going Europe tour with, Taylor Swift. Charot.
So yes, so we
So-
are just remembering
Remembering the past.
the passwords, and translating them.
Have you sinabi mo
English.
about the roots? I think that sounds better. Reconnecting.
So we are just connecting our roots from the bottom of our hearts. This is how it is. This is how we do it. Hey, 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 hey. This is how we do it. Oh, 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 oh.
Pwede.
Naglanding si Kuan.
Sino man?
Ayun.
Oh.
So we are
Yes,
here. We
we're
are
here.
at Baltimore, Washington International. Or is this not
No,
international?
it's not.
We are at the airport lot.
Airport.
Is this still on? Okay, mic test. Ladies and gentlemen, we are still on.
Wait, am I on? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm still on. Oh my God, I'm blue. Wait, go back. I pressed it by accident. Okay, I'm green. I like this. I feel like we're in a talk show host.
This is a vlogger moment for us.
We're
So at least
vlogging?
they can't see our faces,
Oh,
but
you're
they know
right.
us.
Ooh, I like that idea. We should do this often.
Tomorrow again,
Tomorrow on the way to the LTA.
to the LTA,
To the LTA.
to the leadership.
To the
through
leadership.
LSX.
Oh my God. Wee! Ay,
Hindi makauwi. Kasi there was a pot in the hole. Where's the pot in the hole?
di ba ako na yung pot?
Ay, pot pala tong road na to.
Ooh. Oh, there's
It ain't
something in that
my
Jollibee
fault.
drink. Why is that the Jollibee drink, girls?
Caffeine.
Pero you didn't get caffeine.
No, but I'm
So-
always hype.
Oh, you're right. Shit.
Oh my God, we are 1 minute away from our hotel.
Oh my
guys.
God, we're gonna eat so good tonight. Like,
It ain't
girl.
my fault you didn't do me on.
Ano daw? Oh, you cannot see.
It's so bright.
Ew.
It's shining like a starlight.
It's shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah.
Ew. Oh
Ano
my
kayang
gosh.
boses dito?
Dito ko natin si Hannah dati.
Saan ba siya doon?
Sa Windham siya.
Next to Red Roof lang pala eh.
Yeah.
Platinum Tools.
Oh, hello.
How to be a platinum?
You spray painted with silver. You become platinum. Yoko na. Last na yon. Oh my God. We're gonna check. Wait lang, Koya. What is Green Point? What are you Green
I
Point?
think it's a car rental something.
Okay.
I feel like it is.
Ganito mga bata. Oh my God, we're here again.
Yes, welcome back.
I think they miss us.
I hope not.
Sana first floor. Sana first floor. Let's go. Oh, the K. Oh my God, my knee. You got your ID and shit.
Yeah.